my dinner, guys. I will cook now. Let's watch. So, I will cook. Guys, sorry for the noisy because the washing machine is running. Paratha. So, forget Filipino. I will forget that I am Filipina. So, I will eat paratha. Same like Indian. Shout out to all Indian, to all my colleagues, Indian colleagues. Shout out you guys. Easy guys, just you make it like this. One side, make it one side again. So it's already cooked. See? It's already cooked. So my dinner, so I will eat 5 paratha with almond chips. Because it's ready to cook this guys. Ay! It's burned. Sorry. I don't know guys. So what I will do? You make it rounding so that it will become, it will like balloon, they will it's cooked. I think it's cooked, right? No need too much, it's already hurry, I'm hungry. I think it's already cooked, right? Sorry guys. Sorry. I'm not expert in cooking. Because this is ready paratha, ready made, ready to eat paratha. They will make a dough for this. But this one is ready. Ready to cook and it's also ready to eat. If we use the other term. Just preheat and eat with tea. It's good also this guys that like you will eat the paratha. So with tea, like red tea or milk tea, it's also good. But for me, I will eat with almond chips. So, they close down. Garnish all 5 pieces of paratha. So, this is my paratha. And this is the almond chips. I have 5 almond chips, okay? 5 paratha and 5 almond chips. So, water. And only that's it. That's my dinner tonight. So, open the almond chips. Open the almond chips. And then make it like this. Smash that. Okay, so I don't know, smash or whatever, comment down below. Guys. So, I will put on the center of the paratha. And then, I will roll the paratha, okay? You make it roll same like a sandwich. And you eat. But it's hot. You want hot? Guys, it's cold here in the UAE. But it's hot. And okay, so fold it like this. And then you eat. And that's it. That's it, guys. I like this. You know, tea shop, like if you order paratha, you need to like egg paratha. So they put egg inside. So have also egg paratha with chips, with almond chips. But for me, I like paratha with almond chips only. Without cream or without cheese or whatever. I like it here. This is how simply I am. So simple. You don't need to prepare like you will prepare the onion, you prepare the whatever. Just preheat the paratha and that's it. And put Oman chips on it. Actually, guys, I will not finish this kind of paratha. I will eat only 2 or 3 paratha. Okay. Guys, what is your dinner tonight? So yummy. The Oman chips also is very good. So nice. Another one. This is my second paratha. I hope I will, but I think no. I think one more paratha to eat. My mouth is full. Finish. I'm full. For me, you need too much expensive food. Like you need to buy the fried chicken, or you make stew or whatever, beef stew or chicken fritada or whatever the food which is you need to spend too much. It's like I'm not saying like I want to save because I don't have savings. Just I want to show you guys how if you are an OFW. So for those who are OFW, so I know you relate too much like this style of cooking and food also, right? We have work and then we need to be hurried to prepare everything. Like for example, like this paratha is very easy and simple to cook. Like you need to buy, you buy in the supermarket and then you heat in the frying pan. That's it. And very simple and very easy to eat. Everything is easy, guys. So for me, I'm happy with this food. Like paratha and chips, Oman chips. I'm happy because I like this. I like this kind of combination, guys. You like my food, and it's not expensive. You know the paratha I bought it 5.75 5 dirham and 75 fils. Okay, so the Oman chips is 50 fils. So I bought it 5 Oman chips. So 50 pills, how much? 50? So 250. And I'm full and I'm happy because I like the food. And water and finish. Life is like this. Life is simple for me. You don't need to be expensive, guys, in your your food. No, I'm not saying don't eat. All of you guys don't eat, but for me, no, I don't want to be bongacious. I don't want to be like fully the food full in the table or whatever have in the table or whatever like you can prepare, you can do. That is your option, and that is your option. Okay, same thing in life, like everything you have an option. Food is an option and you need it also. That's it, guys. For washing. Sorry po. After dinner, lying in bed. Thanks God. Just now relax. So I will relax now. It's okay. So I finished everything. Dinner. Okay. What I am using in cooking or the other utensil. And that's it for tonight, guys, for my vlog. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you so much to all of you guys. God bless and stay safe, guys.